Hi everyone, and welcome to this TRX toning workout for your upper body. So we're going to focus on our arms specifically. So we're not going to really get much into our core or our legs today. I just want to give you an opportunity to learn some new exercises for your upper body, and for those of you that already know these exercises, to kill a workout, all right? So if you're brand new to TRX, maybe just watch the video at first and learn. Make sure it's set up correctly. I have a door hanger that I'm using. Maybe you have a post. Maybe you're outside with a tree. All right. So this upper body workout is going to be challenging. It's going to be different, but I want you guys to focus on allowing yourselves to still feel strong and able, and by the fact that I'll give you many options. Now, my range of motion for my TRX is less than maybe yours is based on how yours is set up. So I'm going to shorten my straps here, so that way I can use the TRX through most of this workout without having to shorten the straps, all right? So you don't need your straps hanging long. You just need to have the ability to move away from the TRX. All right, let's get the body stretched out by sticking out the bum, extending the arms long, and then exhale, dropping the head. Good, stretching into your lower back here, taking a big breath in and a big breath out. And then slowly come up. Good, firm your legs, and let's get started with some rows. So staggered stance, option one. My one knee is bent, one leg is straight, body is in plank, or regular plank stance, heels down, toes up. Row, row. Good, so you want to pinch and squeeze the shoulder blades together from behind. Let's knock out 8 more reps for 8. Palms face in, 7. My neck is relaxed, 6, 5, 4, chest is up, 3, try not to hunch, 2, and 1. Nice job. Reset your feet. Now we're going to go ahead and get into the triceps. So rotate around. Palms face forward. Now to make this exercise easier, you're more upright. To make it harder, walk back. Soften your knees, your thumbs are head space apart. When you're ready, touch your temples. Exhale, press. So my tailbone stays slightly elevated to protect my low back. As I come forward, my elbows are shooting straight ahead. They're not moving out to the left and the right, all right? So that's important that you keep your alignment the whole time that we're working here. Good, you have 8. Big press, don't go here, all right? Keep your body flat, big press. Good, last 5. Come on, triceps. 4, they get hard. 3, how do you make them easier? Walk forward. 2, 1 more. 1, nice job. All right, from there, we're gonna work into a Y. So I'm gonna turn my back to you at first to set it up. Stagger the stance, palms down, chest up. You're gonna inhale the arms up and lower. Inhale up and lower, all right? So you wanna raise those arms up, keep the TRX tight the whole time we're moving. Let's do this. Staggered stance, palms out, chest up. Reach, slowly lower, maybe walk forward. Reach, good, slowly lower. Reach, lower. Reach, lower. It's normal to take a break here, guys. Let's do 4. Straighten those arms. 3, keep it tight the whole time. 2, come on, core. 1 more, up, up, up. Release it down. Good, relax. Nice job, guys. From there, we're gonna work back into an exercise called a T. So similar back movement that we just did. So I'll turn towards you so you can see first what's happening in my back. My arms are gonna go straight. Staggered stance or feet flat. I'm gonna go staggered, all right? I'm gonna tee open. Back is working. As I come forward, chest. All right, I'll get lower to make it harder, chest up. Tee it open, squeeze, chest, chest, chest. All right, let's do 8 of those. Set it up, chest up, arms open into a T. Slowly control. Good. And then you can change your stance. Maybe you do a couple that are a little easier, or a couple that are a little harder. All right? We got 4. Squeeze. 3. Good. Squeeze. 2. Push, push, push. Good. I'll step back for that last rep so it can look real good. Chest up. Open those arms to do a T. Slowly release. Good. Now, W. So you've seen the Y, you've seen the T. Now we got the W. And that back should be on fire. All right? Let's do this. So I'll turn towards you. Palms face down to start. Row position. 3, 2, 1. Row to 90. Now, W those arms. Press them up. Bring them down. Release. Row. W. Press. Down. Release. Okay? If the press is too hard, just work with that W. Palms flat. 3, 2, 1. So let's just go row, W, flat, release. Row, W, flat, 2 more, row, W, flat, release, row, W, flat, release. Now, row, W, press, W, flat. 3 more, row, W, press, W, flat. 2 more, row, W, press, down. Last one, row it up, hold, W, hold, press, hold, down, hold, flat, extend. Good job, guys. That should burn a little bit, all right? Way to go. So, seen a lot of movements except the biceps. So let's work on those guys. Palms face up, okay? Palms face up, chest is elevated. Arms, they might be a little shaky, and that's good. Reach them out. Stagger stance, or feet together, or back it up to make it easier. It's up to you. Now, curl your cheekbones. Release. Elbows come up 90 degrees, curl. Release. Make it easier, walk this way. Curl so you're more upright. Make it harder, walk forward. Curl. Nice. We've got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, come on. 3, 2, give me one more rep. Up, up, up. Hold. Slow, slow, slow. Nice job, guys. All right, now we have that press. So this is the one where you're gonna have to shorten those straps unless you have space to walk under your anchor point. So if you're hanging from like a bar or bench, then you're good. I'm not, so I have to shorten my straps. Get into the chest a little bit. It's called a TRX chest press. All right, palms are flat. Imagine you're holding a barbell, you're laying on your back. That's the action we're creating, but from standing. Knees are soft, balls of feet. Exhale down, press. Now, I can make this harder simply by taking those straps and then again, lengthening them down, all right? You can make this harder depending on your setup by walking your feet backwards. Press. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, one more, press. Good job, guys. So that's your workout for today. What I want you to do is I want you to hit play, and I want you to do this again. Maybe hit play and do it again. That would be a solid 30-minute TRX upper body workout or a solid 20-minute workout, all right? So this for you was 10 minutes of upper body work, learning how to use the equipment if you're new or learning different upper body movements. Is this all of them? No, there's so much more you can do with the TRX, okay? But use this, run through these movements, maybe write them down, maybe 8 to 12 reps, maybe 15, maybe 30 seconds, all right? Choose what works best for you. Thank you guys so much for working out with me. I hope your upper body feels good. And remember, if this 10 minutes is what you can do today, that's great. Maybe you went on a run already, so you just want a quick little circuit, and you can check it off your list. Nice job, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. And I hope that you feel good. And don't forget, the way your TRX is set up is the most important, so make sure it's set up properly and safely. See you guys later.